Bubble Pens Foodie. My name is Mary and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of food related videos like taste test, food reviews, and recipe videos. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. You rock! So today I'm doing a recipe video to show you how to make peanut butter. This is my dog Lumos, by the way. I'm here to... This is my boy Lumos. He wants to be on camera for a little bit. Back to work. Today I'll be doing a recipe video to show you how to make some really easy peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. Let's get started.
You will be needing 5 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, 3 tablespoons of butter. Cube your butter into small pieces so that it can easily melt. You will need 2/3 cups of peanut butter, 1 full package of marshmallows. Once the pot is warm, add your butter to melt and immediately lower the temperature to medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add the whole package of marshmallows. Continue to stir until everything is melted and in a smooth, creamy texture. Add in your 2/3 cups of peanut butter and constantly stir to make sure that it doesn't burn. After everything is smooth, add in your 5 cups of Rice Krispie cereal. Make sure to fold the cereal into the marshmallow mixture. I recommend using parchment paper or aluminum foil to line your baking pan. Pour in your Rice Krispies. Use your spatula to spread everything evenly and to flatten your Rice Krispie treats down. And now, time to enjoy! I'll be leaving a link to the recipe in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.